Turning off the firewall is sometimes necessary when you want to install specific applications or set up local network connections that are being blocked by the system. However, keep in mind that the firewall is a layer of protection for your Mac against unwanted incoming connections, so you should only turn it off when absolutely necessary and be sure to turn it back on immediately afterward. To get started, go ahead and open System Settings. In the Settings window, look at the sidebar on the left and navigate to the Network section. On the right-hand side, find and click on the Firewall option. Here, you will see the status of your firewall. If it is showing green, it means the firewall is currently active. To turn it off, simply click the toggle switch next to Firewall to turn it gray. If an authentication window appears, enter your Mac password or use Touch ID to confirm the change. Now, the status has changed to off. Your firewall's blocking layer has been officially disabled. Alternatively, instead of turning it off completely, if you only want to allow a specific app to connect through the firewall, click the Options button. Here, you can see which apps are allowed or blocked. If there is an app you need to bypass the firewall, click the plus icon, select the app you want. Make sure the status next to that app is set to Allow Incoming Connections. Managing your firewall correctly will help your Mac stay flexible with connections while still keeping your data secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.